Hello, my crafty friends. Well, today I have two fun fold flap card ideas to share with you. And I have two different ways you can use them in your card making. Hi, it's Lynn Dunn from Stamptastic Designs. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this episode of Stamptastic TV, I have two different card ideas that I want to share, which have a fun fold flap that you can easily attach to the card. And I'm going to show you how to create these. Now, the cards feature some of the brand new products from the Country Inn suite from Stampin Up. So I will be featuring the Countryside Corners. So this is a stamp set, and then there is a coordinating die that goes with that particular stamp set. So I'm going to share some fun ways that you can use this set. And then I'm also using the Lasting Joy stamp set. So a lot of the florals in here coordinate with the flowers in the designer paper. And then the last set that I'm using is Courage and Faith. And I thought that these little verses right here worked perfectly with the dies from the Countryside Corners bundle. All right, so let me show you how to make these cards. Okay, so first let's talk about how to create the base of the card. So you're going to start with a 5.5 by 8.5 inch piece of cardstock. So in this case, I'm using white cardstock. And the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to score it at 4.25 inches. So that will create just a standard card base. So the next thing you want to do is you want to cut off 2 inches from the card front. All right, so we just cut off 2 inches. And now we're going to take this 2 by 5.5 inch piece here, and we're just going to score it in half. So we're going to score it in half at 2 3/4 inches. So now you'll be left with these pieces. So we're going to fold on the score lines. So this is our card base. So I just folded on that score line. And then this is the 2-inch section that we cut off. And so for this one, I just scored it in half. And this is going to create that fun fold flap for the card. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to adhere that fun fold flap. So I'm going to add some glue to one of the flaps. So we'll just add it to this one. And then I'm going to just put it right in the center, and I'm just going to eyeball the center. But I'm going to put it right in the center of the inside of the card. So this is the piece that I adhered. So it gives you this little fun fold flap. And it's really nice. I like this design because I just cut off a 2-inch piece and I used it right away to create this fun fold flap. So you don't have any leftover pieces. You're using all the pieces from your card base. Okay, so now that we have created the card base, we can decorate it either in portrait style or landscape style. So let's start with the portrait style. This is what the card looks like decorated in portrait style. So I'm going to show you how to make this. So you're going to take that card base that we created, and the first thing we're going to do is just cut some designer paper. So I'm using some of the beautiful Countryside Inn designer series paper. So I have 2 different patterns here. All of these pieces are cut to 2 by 5.25 inches. So I'm going to adhere one of the florals on the outside. So we'll adhere it right to this flap on the outside of the card. And then on the inside of the card, we're going to adhere this other piece. So another floral, just to kind of decorate the inside of the card. And then we're going to take this blue piece and I'm going to adhere it to a 4 by 5.25 inch piece of white cardstock. So this is going to go on the inside of the card. So let me just move this here. So let's add this on this side. All right, so this is what it looks like. And this is going to go on the inside of the card. So that's going to cover up this flap that we adhered to the inside. And you will also be able to see this blue piece from the outside when the card is closed. So we'll add this. And then you have a nice little space for writing or stamping a message, whatever you'd like to do. All right, so that is how I added the designer paper. So now let's create this focal point here. So I used a variety of the dies from the Countryside Corners set. And I cut these die cut pieces. They're all layering die cut pieces. So there's a variety of different sizes. So I just used some of the smaller die cut shapes to create my layering focal point. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to stamp on here first before we put this card together. And I'm using one of the verses from the Courage and Faith stamp set. So I'm just going to use some Night of Navy ink, and I'm going to stamp this right in the center. And then I'm going to use some of the new boho blue just to add some little flowers to the front here. So I'm using some of the flowers from the Lasting Joy. So we'll just add 2 little flowers. All right, so we'll set this aside because what we're going to do is we're going to take these 2 pieces, and these 2 pieces I cut from boho blue, and so they're slightly larger than the one that I'm using for the greeting. So I'm going to adhere one of these pieces just to this part of the flap. So I like to adhere the front one first so that I can kind of center it on the card. All right. So once you get that on the card, then you can open up the card. I just have the card turned. So you can open up the card and you can adhere this piece over the top, and that will cover up that flap so that you don't see that. So obviously these pieces are the exact same size, same color, and we're just going to adhere them together, kind of sandwich them between that flap. And then you have your fun fold. So it's super simple, and I love these little die cut shapes because they work perfect for covering up that little flap and creating this fun fold card. All right, so now we are ready to adhere our greeting, and I just added some dimensionals to the back, and we'll just pop this up right in the center of the card. And then for the finishing touch, you can add, a couple little dots here. I have some in color dots that I'm going to add just to kind of make it look like buttons on the side here of this card. All right, so there you go. Super simple design, and you can really use it with any supplies or any shape that you want to create for the front of the card. All right, so that is the portrait style. Let's take a look at the landscape style. All right, so this is the landscape style. So you're going to create the card base in the same way that you created it for the portrait style. So it's the exact same measurements and everything. The only difference is that for the portrait style, I decorated it in this direction. And for the landscape style, I just turned the card and decorated it in this direction. So it opens this way instead of opening side to side. All right, so let me show you how I created this. And I adhered the little flap just a little bit differently this time. So you have 2 different ways that you can adhere this flap to your card front. All right, so we're going to start with the exact same pieces. Remember, we cut off a 2-inch piece. This is the 2-inch piece, and I folded this piece in half. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some designer paper to my flap. So I'm just going to add a 1.5 by 2-inch piece of designer paper, and I'm going to add it towards the fold on this little flap here. Okay, so I added one of those pieces to the front flap up by the seam here. Now remember, this is going to fit inside the card here. So this piece is going to get adhered to the inside. So I want to adhere this other piece over here. So you have like one on the front and you have one on the inside. So let me go ahead and do that. So we'll adhere it right up to that score line. So now we're going to adhere this flap to the inside of the card, just like we did on the other one. All right, so we have a little bit of designer paper here, a little bit here, and this part where the white is, that will get covered up, so we don't have to worry about that. So we're going to be decorating the card in this direction, in the landscape style. So I am going to add my designer paper, and I'm just going to turn it so I can see it a little better. So this gets adhered to the front. And then on the inside, we're going to add that same white paper. So I'm going to add my flower print on one of the sides here of this 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece of white cardstock. And then we'll just go ahead and adhere this to the inside of the card. So this time the paper is going to go towards the top here, which it's in the same spot as if you were doing it in portrait style. And then you can see when you